Well, thanks for tuning into today's video. We're doing the weekend forecast today. Going to have a detailed look at weather for the next 7 days across the British Isles. Got a lot of high pressure coming up, so we're going to keep mainly fine conditions. Things could turn a little bit more unsettled as we go up towards Easter. It's also going to get a little bit warmer, I think, though, towards the Easter weekend as well. But it's a long way off. There's quite a bit of uncertainty about what's going on for Easter, as there often is for a bank holiday weekend. So it's with low confidence towards the end of the forecast period, to be honest. But up until around Thursday, anyway, pretty good agreement that high pressure going to be very dominant. So the dry spring weather looks set to continue for several more days to come. Now, before we get on with the video, just want to mention the advertising. There's video ads on my pages at GazWeatherBiz.com. If you press play on the video ad, you'll be supporting GazWeatherBiz.com. And thanks very much for doing that. The websites that we're using for the video, we've got the radar picture from the UK Met Office, we've got the charts from weathercentral.de and weatheroutlook.com. You can find a link to all three of those websites on my links page. So this is today's radar picture at the UK Met Office. We've got a band of cloud and patchy rain moving south and east across the country. A little bit heavy around the parts of northeastern England, but generally it's light and patchy stuff. And this will come southwards and eastwards through the course of this afternoon into this evening, producing probably by the time it gets to the southeast no more than a band of cloud, to be honest. It generally is a cloudier day than we've been used to recently, but a lot of dry and fine weather. Really today not too bad at all. This is today's stochastic pressure chart. The low pressure up to the north of Scotland, the high pressure just down to the southwest, and the cold front, as I say, is coming down across the country, but it's a very, very weak feature. So a band of showers moving south from southern Scotland and northern England in towards Wales and the Midlands this afternoon. Very light, many of those showers. Once it gets down into the south and southeast towards this evening, nothing more than a band of cloud. Brighter skies will follow to the north, and quite windy conditions for Scotland as well. Tightly packed ice bars will feed in some heavier showers there. Temperatures today a little bit down because we've got more cloud, but even so up to 13 or 14 degrees, about where we should be at this time of year. Overnight, the cold front will clear away, but I have to emphasise it's going to be an extremely weak feature, producing no more than a band of cloud in the south and southeast. But clearing skies really through the night. It's going to get quite chilly as well, with temperatures down to 2 or 3 degrees. That is colder for a touch of ground frost, particularly in rural localities. Although temperatures will hold up for Scotland because we'll keep more of a breeze up there, still with some showers in the north and the northwest of Scotland. On Sunday, we're going to bring in a weather system to the north of Scotland, and that could just bring some cloud and heavier rain to parts of Scotland through the course of Sunday. Most of it will be light and patchy in the east and the south of Scotland, but to the north and the northwest of Scotland, I think we will have some heavier rain there. Elsewhere, a lot of dry and fine weather on Sunday with better sunny spells than is the case today. Now, for the London Marathon, it's going to start off a little bit chilly, but temperatures will quickly pick up, and by the afternoon we're going to be up to 17, 18 degrees, probably too warm actually for anybody running that. So yeah, it's going to be a nice day down in London. Temperatures up to 17 or 18 degrees with good sunny spells. Really nice weather tomorrow. The high pressure's right over the top of the country as we go through into Monday. So, again, that weather system from the North Scotland will come southwards and eastwards, but again, producing nothing more than a band of cloud overnight Sunday into Monday. And Monday may start off a little bit cloudy, but high pressure will be dominant. It's going to be a dry and fine day with increasing amounts of good sunny spells coming through. Temperatures after a chilly start probably getting up to around 15 or 16 degrees. High pressure's right over us on Tuesday, so the dry and fine weather goes on. Could be cold early and late with some frost, particularly through northern England and the Midlands, but otherwise good sunny spells, dry conditions, and temperatures after a chilly start recovering again to around 15 or 16 degrees. As we go through to Wednesday, the high pressure is still dominant, although it could bring in a little weather system to the north of Scotland, so maybe some cloud and patchy rain there. But otherwise, a cold start, and again cold on Wednesday evening, but otherwise good sunny spells, and temperatures recovering in that sunshine up to 15 or 16 degrees. By Thursday, the confidence in the forecast is falling, but some sort of weather system probably coming southwards and eastwards, producing a band of cloud, maybe a few showers across England and Wales, with dry and fine conditions on either side of that. Probably more in way of cloud, though, on Thursday. Conversely, though, temperatures lifting up a little bit, probably at around 18 or 19 degrees in the south. We won't have such a cold start. Let's go through to Good Friday. Very low confidence, but high pressure is suggested to be still more or less holding on. So probably quite a lot of dry weather on Good Friday. Temperatures are lifting up because the wind's going more southerly to southeasterly now, so we could get up to 20 degrees perhaps in the south in that sunshine at 68 Fahrenheit. There was a suggestion earlier in the week that could get cold northerly winds, so that looks like it's off the cards now. It looks like it's going to be quite a warm day on Good Friday, but keep an eye on this area of low pressure down across southern France and northern Spain. That pushes northwards on the latest GFS run as we go through into the Easter weekend. That could bring thundery rain if it happens up from the south, but it's a very low confidence sort of outlook as we get through to Easter. I'll be doing an update for Easter on the events page this evening at around 7 o'clock, so come back for that for the very latest for the whole of the Easter weekend, but it's a very low confidence outlook. As we go through to the charts from the weather outlook, finally, this is the chart for today. Quite a lot of cloud, but plenty of dry weather, a few showers coming down from the north and the northwest. Really good sunshine across England and Wales as we move through into Sunday, although there's more cloud, maybe some rain for Scotland. It doesn't show up, but I think there could be some rain in the northwest of Scotland. But look at that, very nice day for Sunday, very nice for the London Marathon, but perhaps a little bit too warm. If anything. High pressure is dominant through to Monday, so lots of sunshine and temperatures after a cold start, quite warm. Let's go through to Tuesday again, plenty of sunshine and dry weather, as is the case for Wednesday, although by Wednesday could be starting to see some cloud and rain coming into the north of Scotland. And we keep the dry and fine conditions really going into Thursday and into Friday. And if anything, temperatures are lifting up actually as we go through to Good Friday. Possibly very warm at around 20 degrees in the south. By Good Friday, maybe though with a risk of thundery rain coming up from the southwest for the actual Easter weekend. But I'll be doing an update for Easter on the events page this evening around 7 o'clock. Come back for that. But in summary, well, lots of dry weather, high pressure goes on, so the dry spring continues. Going to be quite chilly by night through the early and middle part of the week, fairly warm by day. And then later in the week, temperatures probably starting a recovery and becoming very warm, but plenty of dry weather with sunny spells. So not a lot going on, but a lot of fine weather. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.